Now, Recon One is not just a place where you can buy fantastic custom knives. They're also the company that facilitates the California Custom Knife Show. And this venue here is made possible by the hard work they do behind the scenes. And one of those hard workers is Jack. Jack, tell us what you have at your booth.
So today we got a couple different interesting things. We got, of course, our Shirogorovs, which we're known for. And we have a big bunch of the Ursus line right now. These are like kind of the more base model ones. And then we got, for the more higher end Shiros right here, we got the Hotties and our R1P pattern Quantum. This is the Halloween edition knife that has the glowing, the luminescent orange.
Excuse me, it's kind of hard with the...
Yeah, if I lift this up a second.
There we go.
Yeah, we can take a better look.
Look, we do our own stunts here at Have a Knife Day.
Yeah, and it's got the nice little pumpkin bead on there for the Halloween spirit, you know. Got Hog House knives, you know, made in Finland. These ones are projects we did with our Recon 1 pattern with Rexford and Fellholter. These are just a couple customs that we pulled out from the shop.
That Borka is
that
fantastic.
Borka is really cool. Mike Bond collaboration.
Goodness.
And and then over here we got some Focus Works, some nice more R1 pattern stuff, and some of the box cutters right here, one-handed opening, easy use. Really nice pieces.
Did you hide it?
Oh no, that one's sold. Yeah, and then we got it's like $800. But this one's the Recon 1 official like in-house knife. This is our first model that we released called the Oddzine. All different kind of flavors, all the way up to from your stonewash tie to your like zirconium with the zirconium accents. Really nice stuff. These ones are like the first model that we ever released, and they're amazing. They're made by Rayat.
And we also have cake.
We also have cake on
but
the
don't put it in
sideline.
your pocket. It doesn't look good in your pocket.
Yeah. So that's
at least
kinda,
that's what my mom said.
That's kind of the rundown of what we got, you know. And I've been with Recon for about 3 years, almost 4 years now. And you know, we've been around since Recon's been a thing since '90s, like '94, I think is when it really started, and then went through its like Army surplus kind of phase, and then now we're just focusing on all the really high-end production and custom knives. And recently we've acquired the R1 Marketplace, which is the pre-owned side. We've gotten into that, so you know, which is right next door. Those are all the pre-owned knives that we brought to the show to sell. And yeah, and I'm kind of the new. We had another worker, Daniel, who was a very important part of Recon 1. I'm kind of like, you know, the new him in one way, but you know, much improved.
You're
you know?
growing into the business.
Yeah, I'm growing.
Finding your
business.
place.
Exactly.
Finding your place. Well, that's great.
That's kind of the rundown.
Jack, thank you for all your hard work. We appreciate seeing. We're going to go over to the used side and take a look at them. So, have a nice day. We'll see you in a bit.
Oh, man, because you always go out of your way for me. Always babies, you know?
And here is their used market. A lot of great looking ZTs over here. And so much. Look at that carbon fiber. And there you go. So give Recon 1, check them out. They have great stuff.
Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all the 82nd way. Hey!